Gabriel came and helped me fix all the, put new cameras, install security cameras everywhere. He has done a good job. Thank you so much, Gabriel.
Okay, I went to the attic and there is no access to the window. So that window is kind of a fake window. So the roof finishes here. So if you go inside in the attic, you will see that everything goes inside and you don't have access to that place. Otherwise, we'll have to make an access through the garage, but that will be like a big shop. The other option, like I said, instead of moving, running a conduit, putting it there, or maybe higher or whatever, or if you want it to be a little bit higher so that nobody will steal your camera, we can take that out, put the electric box over there that is going to protrude the wall a little bit, and then run a conduit maybe 3-4 foot until that side, and then we put the camera on the other end. But this like that is going to take at least 2 hours easily.